this video, you will learn the basic of the User Coordinate System (UCS) and World Coordinate System (WCS). In this Autocad tutorial, I want to talk about how we use the User Coordinate System. The User Coordinate System, or UCS, is really important in modeling, especially when you get into more advanced areas. So if we are looking for that on the ribbon, that is going to be on the Home tab. Basically, at the center, there is a section called Coordinates, and this is an area that we will be checking out. We can also just type in UCS, and that is the way I tend to work, but really, it is up to you. So in order to go to the User Coordinate System easily, what I'm going to do is to just draw a simple box that we can take a look at now. So I'm going to go to my top view, use a polyline, and just draw a 36 inches square. And then I'm going to go over to my southwest using isometric view and just extrude that out. Maybe around 6 feet. So I just have a tall box. Now if I take my orbit tool, I'll have something that looks like this. As you work in Autocad, in 3D, you just need to keep a few things in mind. Most importantly, when you're drawing in any orthographic view, such as top, bottom, left, right, like what I have over here on the left, when I have a top view, you're always drawing in the XY plane. Now I have the X-axis, the Y-axis. That's where I do all my drawings. So even when I look to my 3-dimensional southwest isometric view, you will see that on the ground is where we drew or draw the square. That's the XY plane. Now what happens is you extruded out the Z-axis. As you bring things into 3D, they go up the Z-axis. So you know that if I did something really simple, let's say if I do a circle, you will see that when I come here, it lays flat on the ground. Now when I grab my extrude tool, and bring that up, it's coming up following the Z-axis. Now if I wanted to rotate an object, it also rotates around the Z-axis. If I grab my rotate tool, select this rectangle, I'll pick a base point, now it's a little harder to see if I have auto on. Let's just turn this off quick. But when I look in either views, you see as it spins around. I'm spinning around z-axis. If you are always drawing flat on the ground, and you're always extruding up or down, you can just leave it as it is. But if I have some objects that I want to start, for example, having come off from the sides or other, that type of things can be very tricky. Now, can you draw everything and then rotate it and move it? The answer is yes, but you don't really have to do that. If I wanted to draw on this box, on one of the faces, it's actually fairly simple. What we're going to do is switching the UCS by flipping the XY or Z axis. We can find that in the coordinate panel up here. On the left side of it, in the middle there are 3 buttons for X, Y, and Z. So if I grab X, it will rotate the UCS about the X-axis. And if I hit that, you can see down here what will happen to the coordinate. I'm clicking X, it flips about the X-axis. When I move my mouse, you can see that the X is not moving, but the Y and Z are moving. So that's an option for you.